Introducing the luxurious diesel automatic estate Jeep with all the features you could ask for. Cruise in style with air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and more. Stay safe with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking. Not to mention the sleek chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails for added style. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us now or visit our website, spiritskoda.ie, for more information. Drive home in your dream car today.